St. Aloysius College is growing leaps and bounds in the field of education.
STM Law College recently conducted.
Scores of students were enrolled at St. Agnes College.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Good evening viewers, welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings you news from colleges in and around Mangalore. I am your host Pooja Shetty. Let us take a quick look at the headlines.
College Day conducted in St. Aloysius College. MADA 2014, a national level technical fest held in Sri Devi College. Zephyr 2014, a national level PG management fest held in St. Joseph's Engineering College, Vamanjur. Department of Journalism conducted Shooting Stars, a national level documentary fest.
College Day was held at St. Aloysius College on 7th March. Campus Eye brings in more details.
St. Aloysius College is celebrating its 134th annual College Day. Campus Eye is here to bring in more details. To make true of the saying that the year is incomplete without seasons, just like a college is incomplete without celebrating its annual College Day, St. Aloysius College walks an extra mile by celebrating 134th College Day. The management, staff and the students of St. Aloysius College organized this great day on March 7, 2014. Sri J.R. Lobo, member, Karnataka Legislative Assembly, was the chief guest of the program. He highlighted the importance of imagination through the examples of well-known intellectuals and "today would never return in the future" were the powerful words said by Sri J.R. Lobo.
You are the most chosen one. You are the most luckiest one to be the members, to be the students of these prestigious institutions. There are people outside in the society who are deprived of this opportunity in their life.
Reverend Father Sweeber De Silva S.J., Principal, Dr. A.M. Narahari, Registrar and Convener, Dr. George Rodriguez, Convener, and Mr. Ponana N.T., President, Student Council, were present on the days. Reverend Father Denzil Lobo S.J., Rector, St. Aloysius Institutions, presided over the function. He, in his presidential address, said,
Karnataka government takes a proactive stand to promote some of the very good autonomous colleges in Karnataka and especially St. Aloysius College to this status in order to promote quality and value-based education.
The program started off with a classical dance performance of Bharatnatyam and Veeragase, followed by the College Day theme song sung by the college choir. College annual report and the prize distribution were the program highlights. On this promising occasion, St. Aloysius College recognized the students' achievements and academic excellence by felicitating with certificates and prizes. Cultural extravaganza set the stage ablaze. Spectators in large number were swept away by the marvelous performances of the students. Mr. Ponana N.T., President, Students' Council, spoke to Campus Eye.
We had our 134th College Day celebrations in St. Aloysius College. They were the blend of Western music along with classical moves. We had a presentation of our annual report in a different manner through media, and it was a great celebration indeed.
This event displayed the talents of our young enthusiastic minds. It was a great opportunity for the parents to come and witness the program put up by the college students. With camera person Robin Xavier, this is Insta Alice for Campus.
A national level technical fest, MEDHA 2014, held at Sri Devi College, Kenja. Let's have a look.
A two-day national level technical fest held at Sri Devi Engineering College on 4th and 5th of March 2014. Sri Nalin Kumar Katil, MP of Dakshina Kannada, inaugurated May the 14th. Sri Sadhananda Shetty, the chairman of Sri Devi Education Trust, presided over the function. Mr. Anand, Chief Associate Vice President of Udyavani, released the departmental newsletter Spoothi. First witnessed participants from 33 colleges all around the country. MEDHA provided the students an opportunity and created an environment for healthy competitions. It also provided huge scope for overall learning and help the students to emerge to be a true leader. The staff coordinator of the event and the HOD of the department, Mrs. Netravati P.S., spoke to Campus Eye.
The main intention of this workshop or whatever the national level fest is to know more about the new technology, because the students are from the computer application background. It may be BSc Computer Science, BCA, MSc Computer Science, MCA. In this current trend, new competitive things are coming up every year. So to update themselves, the main advantage is that all the students we can call here, this is the one main platform for them to share their knowledge.
Student coordinator shared his views to Campus Eye.
This is a great success this year. Like we got more than 33 colleges and 400 plus students. Every year we do something new in Mega. Even this year we have done something new, like we got online treasure hunt which is conducted already for 10 days and it is a grand success, and we have launched a new Android application where the students can see everything together, like in all the events results have been displayed and students can access to their own Android application.
St. Joseph's Engineering College conducted a 2-day national level fest, Zephyrs 2014. Mahadipatya Fighting for Supremacy. Campus Eye brings in more details.
The Department of Business Administration of St. Joseph Engineering College, Vamanjur, conducted a 2-day national level PG Management Fest, Sapphire 2014, Mahadipatya Fight for Supremacy, on the 4th and 5th March. Dr. M.S. Mudithaya, Registrar, Nitya University, Mangalore, who was the chief guest, inaugurated the function. Dr. Rio D'Souza, Vice Principal, was the guest of honor, while Dr. Joseph Gonsalves, Principal, St. Joseph College, Reverend Father Ajit Menes, Reverend Father Rohit DeCosta, Assistant Directors, and Reverend Father Joseph Lobo, Director, presided over the function. The Management Fest held various cultural events like business quiz, marketing, best manager, and so on.
It can take over any technology. Okay, granted, your ACES is user-friendly, but ours is also user-friendly. It's tech-friendly actually. And that app is totally free of cost. When they buy the cell phone itself, it is there. No discussion is on. The main manager, the CEO or the manager of the company is letting out his ideas to other people who are sitting, and the other people who are here in a group discussion are also putting out their ideas.
Dr. Prakash Pinto, Professor and Dean of Department of Business Administration, and Mr. Galvin Peter, the Student Coordinator, spoke to Campus Eye.
We have been conducting such management fests from the year 2009, and the Department of Business Administration, St. Joseph Engineering College, is very much focused on the holistic development of the future managers. Today, more than 18 teams have participated in Zephyr 14, and the students are really taking interest in such events.
Zephyr 2014 has taken a theme of Mahadipatya, which means fight for supremacy. And we have brought a lot of innovation, a lot of creativity in delivering this mega management fest into just becoming an event to an experience. We tried our maximum to bring, to help the participants to understand and to reveal themselves the management skills, management techniques that they need to learn in their classrooms.
Department of Journalism of St. Aloysius College conducted Shooting Stars, a national level short films and documentary fest. Let's have a look.
Right now, I am here at St. Aloysius Degree College. The Department of Journalism of St. Aloysius Degree College is organizing a short film and documentary screening competition, Shooting Stars. The Campus Eye brings you more details.
The Department of Journalism of St. Aloysius College organized a national level film and documentary making competition, Shooting Stars. The program was inaugurated by Mr. K.M. Chaitanya, popular film and documentary director, Bangalore, by lighting the lamp. Father Subert De Silva, Principal, St. Aloysius College, in his presidential address said, "I know that you young people can be innovative for the right time for right things. You have the capacity to. You can make a lot of difference in your own and the lives of other people.
You must have good ideas. And even those good ideas, maybe simple sometimes, can be presented in such a way that they become alive. And that is the innovation that is required in filmmaking.
Ms. Pavya Shetty, HOD, Department of Journalism, Ms. Jayalakshmi Alva, Convener, Dr. Veronica Judith Thomas were also present in the function. The inauguration function was followed by a half-day seminar on filmmaking and its challenges by the resource person Mr. K.M. Chaitanya.
We must beware of overpraising films like this simply because they are understated. Of course, there is a reason why this criticism came. This criticism came from Hollywood, which was an industry which had already geared itself to selling film as a product for the masses. And there was always this conflict between.
The shortlisted documentaries and short films from over 32 entries were screened after the workshop. Students from various colleges have participated actively in this program. Ms. Bhavya Shetty, HOD, Department of Journalism of St. Lucia's College, spoke to Campusai.
And this year we have a theme called Filmmaking and its Challenges. A renowned director from Bangalore, Mr. K.M. Chaitanya, has come as a speaker for the program. It's really going well, and more number of students have participated in that.
Film and documentaries are not just a visual treat. Beyond, it's an art of creativity and hard work. With camera person Robin Xavier, this is Nima Sima for Campus Eye.
That's all for this week's Campus Eye. I'm your host, Pooja Shetty, signing off.